everyone, my name is Sanskriti and you all are welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out several products which I have never used before. And this is going to be somewhat kind of the first impression of those products and also the haul of those products. And also at the end of the video, I'll be announcing a giveaway. So stay tuned and watch the entire video. So the first product जिसके बारे में मैं आपसे बात करने वाली हूँ that is from Oriental Botanics, which is their 99% aloe vera soothing gel. This is paraben and silicone free and also it has no color mineral oil or even sulfate. And ये बहुत ही multi-purpose product है. आप इसको directly अपने skin पे लगा सकते हैं, hairs पे लगा सकते हैं या फिर किसी भी hair या फिर face mask के साथ mix करके भी use कर सकते हैं. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा सुना था ओरिएंटल बोटैनिक्स के प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट गेट इट फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड ट्राई इट आउट एंड टेल यू गाइज कि ये प्रोडक्ट एक्चुअली है कैसा. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई दिस प्रोडक्ट आउट. This is how the packaging of the product looks like. It is quite decent and it looks quite decent. So let's check the consistency of the product. This is what the consistency of the product looks like. It feels really good on the skin. I'm going to be trying it out on my face as well and I'm going to be showing it to you guys. So the second product that I'm going to be trying out is from Greenberry Organics. इनके बारे में भी मैंने बहुत सुना है and I've also seen them on Instagram quite a few times. So I wanted to try out their product and the product that I have with me is this Greenberry Green Clay Mask. So I feel that this product might be good. It also has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, green tea and tea tree actives. So yeah, all of these things are really good for your skin, like vitamin C, hyaluronic, everything is very good for skin. I'm quite excited to try this product out. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to be trying this product out. The packaging of this product looks quite decent and it has like the quantity is 50 grams and you have to pay approximately 550 rupees and it is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart. So you can purchase it from there and it is suitable for all skin types, which is basically its USP. So now let's quickly just try this product out. So it has kind of a minty fragrance to it and it is obviously, this is green clay mask, so it has a green color in it. So now I'm just going to be quickly applying it on my skin and I'm just going to be telling you guys how it feels on the skin. It has a good texture. Of course, it has a very good texture and it feels light on the skin. It does not feels like and it is obviously not itching as much as I have applied on my skin. It's not itching. Now let's see how it feels after application. सो ये मास्क बहुत ही ठंडा ठंडा कूल वाला इफेक्ट दे रहा था स्किन पे एंड ऑल्सो बहुत ही सूदन अप कर दिया. इसको लगाने के बाद स्किन बहुत सूदन अप और थोड़ा सा ग्लोइंग सा इफेक्ट आया है and obviously it is suitable for all skin types. Therefore you can definitely check this product out and you can purchase it for yourself. बहुत ही अच्छा instant result देखने को मिला है मुझे इससे and this product is definitely a thumbs up on my end. And also I'm just going to be linking down all the products in case you want to check out the ingredient list or you want to purchase it. So yeah, definitely go check out the description box as well. Now let's move to the next product. So the next product that I have with me is also from Greenberry Organics and this is their sunscreen gel. It has 50+ SPF, which is quite good and it has aloe vera gel, cucumber and nerolite actives, which is very good, and this is also suitable for all skin types. So yeah, this is its very big USP. And also it has like the quantity is 50 grams and it retails for approximately $500, and you can get it on Amazon or on Flipkart. So yeah, I'll give the link in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Now let's just unbox it and see how its texture and everything looks like. So yeah, the packaging of this product looks quite decent. The packaging looks quite similar, just like the face mask one. थोड़ी सी similar सी packaging है दोनों की. Now I'm just gonna be quickly opening this product and see what is inside. How is it? This is how the texture of the product looks like. This is how the texture of the products looks like. Now it has a little bit of fragrance, but I would say that the fragrance is quite good. Now showing you how the product looks like. This is how the product looks like. Now I'm going to be quickly applying this on my skin. I've taken quite a bit of the product, quite a lot of the product, but yeah, I'm just going to be applying it on the skin now. This product felt really good on the skin. ये प्रोडक्ट में बिल्कुल भी ऑयलीनेस या ग्रीसीनेस नहीं है, एंड आई डू नॉट प्रेफर इट फॉर माई सेल्फ. सो येस, इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑयलीनेस और ग्रीसीनेस, दिस प्रोडक्ट इज अ थम्स अप. ऑल्सो इट लास्ट फॉर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 6 to 8 hours और बहुत ही ईजिली स्किन में अब्जॉर्ब हो जा रहा है. So therefore I would like rate this product, like I would give it a thumbs up, and also you can just check the description box to in case you want to purchase it. Now let's move to the next product. The next product that I have with me is from the brand Soul Tree, and it is their under eye gel. The packaging of the product looks quite decent, and it is made up of pomegranate and almond oil, and it is for oily to combination skin type, and my skin is dry to normal skin type, and therefore this is not something which I would prefer. But I would definitely give my review on this product as well. So it retails for approximately rupees 500, and and the quantity that you get for rupees 500 is 40 ml, which is decent. So it has a pump in it, and you know this there is also a kind of this मतलब जिससे आप इस pump को close करके रख सकते हो. So this is quite good. The packaging is really good. Now the pump is this. Let's just see the consistency of this product. Okay, so yeah, this is how the product looks like. Sort of brownish nude सा shade है इसका. Okay, brownish सा shade है. I've taken quite 2 to 3 pumps which I won't be using, so मैं थोड़ा सा बस use करके आपको under eyes बताऊंगी कि ये कैसा है actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna be massaging it quickly. Consistency काफी अच्छी है इस product की definitely, and it is getting absorbed in the skin quite quickly, which is good. Obviously gel based है तो थोड़ा सा consistency थोड़ी बहुत smooth सी consistency है, and definitely this is a good product. But like अभी जैसे जैसे ये थोड़ा थोड़ा स्किन में absorb होता जा रहा है, so I feel कि ये जो है ना थोड़ा सा जो अंडर आई वाला एरिया है, that feels a bit of like थोड़ा सा moisturize कम हो रहा है, like मतलब moisturizing वाली चीज़ कम है, because my skin is dry and obviously this product is suitable for oily to combination skin type. Therefore I do not think कि ये मेरे skin type के लिए अच्छा product है. But डेफिनेटली अगर आपकी स्किन ऑयली या कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप है तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस प्रोडक्ट आउट, बिकॉज ये बहुत ईजिली एब्जॉर्ब हो गया स्किन में, एंड थोड़ा सा स्किन को यहाँ की थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चराइज तो किया ही, बट डेफिनेटली थोड़ा सा ड्राई आउट है यहाँ की स्किन, विच इज गुड फॉर पीपल विद oily skin type. So but for the people with dry skin type like mine, I am not going to be giving this product a thumbs up, and obviously it is mentioned on the product that this product is only for like oily to normal skin, oily to combination skin type, and therefore I would give this product a thumbs up. But if you have dry skin type like mine, so I would give it a so-so wala thing. So yeah, now let's move to the next product. So the last product that I have with me is from Plum Body Loving, and it is their body mist. which is from their Hawaiian Rumba range. I've heard a lot about Plum, and this is my very first time that I'll be trying out their product. So yeah, let's just try it out. It has an amazing smell. Oh my god, I'm loving the Hawaiian Rumba ka smell. This is definitely a thumbs up. इसकी smell बहुत amazing है. Trust me, you are gonna fall in love with the smell of this product. This smells like heaven. I don't know, थोड़ा सा Hawaiian Rumba like sort of बहुत ही फ्लावरी सी स्मेल है. किसी एक स्पेसिफिक फ्लावर की स्मेल नहीं है, बट बहुत सूदिंग स्मेल है. डेफिनेटली अ थम्स अप ऑन माई एंड. डेफिनेटली अ मस्ट ट्राई प्रोडक्ट. एंड प्लम बॉडी लविंग के बॉडी मिस्ट में और भी बहुत सारी रेंजेस हैं. द वन दैट आई हैव इज फ्रॉम देयर हवाईन रुम्बा रेंज, बट इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी रेंजेस हैं. सो यू गाइस कैन इवन चेक देम आउट. इस रेंज की मैं आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी, सो यू कैन जस्ट चेक इट आउट इन केस यू वांट टू परचेज इट और यू वांट टू चेक आउट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स दैट हैव बीन यूज्ड. And also all their products are cruelty free and vegan, which is a very big thing, which is their USP. So yes, this product is a thumbs up on my end. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. In case you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you guys can get notification once I post a video. So moving ahead, as I told you guys in the beginning of the video that I'll be hosting a giveaway. So the product that I'll be giving away is this Khadi Naturals Lavender Essential Oil. The second product is from M Caffeine Coffee Body Polishing Oil. And the third product is from Soul Tree, their under eye gel. So these are the three products that I'll be giving away, and the steps are really very simple and it is mentioned in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description in case you want to participate and win this. So yeah, stay tuned for more such videos, and until then, watch my previous videos. Bye bye.